Uh-oh. Do I hear another freestyle coming through? Haha. You best believe it. So, thought I'd get in touch with my dark side. Man, I'm fucking crazy. I'm starting to see everything in all black. Guess what, nigga? I leave you flat. And I told you before, I don't give a rat's ass. Burn down my school, cause I'm too cool, man. Fuck them jewels. All I want is the bitches, the money, the cars, the clothes. I fuck that. I just need a fucking counselor, cause I'm going crazy. Look, nigga, what's up? Throw it up for my team. You already know what's up. Yup, laser beam. You already know I got the beamer. I'm going insane, and you know my brain looks like a motherfucking steamer. Yup, what's up though? You wanna throw up, folks, man? Fuck that pussy ass gang. You ain't talking about shit, and you already know I'm up to date with the hipster slang. But fuck that shit, I just wanna eat their brain. Yup. Man, Chicago is where I'm from, and ain't nobody gon' tell me fuck that, cause I'll snap on them like your twig. Like a twig, I eat a Twix, cause I go harder than Sam. Yup, bam. I shot the gun was loaded, and your mom is bloated. Yup, what's up? I just thought I'd get in touch with my dark side right now, man. I'm feeling mad as hell. I guess I'm going to the Vans rap tour. So, if you live in Illinois, you know what I'm saying, man, hook me up. I'll hook you up, yo. You know what I'm saying? But I'm about to go in again. Need a couple seconds to let my emotions go and, make a rhyme. So I'm going to let the beat run. Couple seconds. So they tell me I'm gonna end up dropping out of school, but you know what I said? Fuck that, nigga, I'm gonna be bigger. Man, I'ma make it. Man, I'm gonna have yo hoe trying to shake it. She's trying to get money, but please, honey, don't get it confused. We don't pay for hoes, and you already know that y'all below me and my team, cause I told you before that I ain't trying to get laid, I'm just trying to get paid. And we rep them LA Kings. Nah, fuck that pussy shit. Fuck gangs, nigga. You know what I'm saying, man? I'm out here with my team. Fuck you pussy ass niggas trying to fucking run up on me yesterday. Fuck you mean, you think you all hard cause you in your car, but you ain't wanna do shit, so I had to throw the rock at your window, motherfucker. And your bitch ass still didn't do shit, motherfucker. Fuck you mean. What's up though? Y'all wanna talk shit through your car, motherfucker? What's up? That's what's finna happen. I'll fucking break your shit too, nigga. But people don't understand me like my parents. They wanna say that I'm gonna be a failure and don't compare me to nobody else, cause I'm sick and tired of your bullshit. And I already told them that I want to spit on the mic, and they're like, psych, you're not good enough, son, you're not gonna fucking make it. I'm trying to ignore their fucking comments, but they always put me down and trying to put a frown, but cause they want to throw up the crown. Well, fuck that pussy shit. I'll bury him to the ground, and I'll burn this house to the ground without even motherfucking making a sound.